In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add songs from YouTube to Spotify. So the first thing you want to do is find a playlist or create your own playlist that you'd like to migrate from YouTube to Spotify. Once you have that, all you need to do is go to tunemymusic.com and click enter. So when the page loads, you want to click let's start. And step one, we want to select the source. So you have a choice of different music platforms, but we're going to choose YouTube. And then I'm going to paste in my YouTube playlist and then click load playlist. So the playlist that I actually selected was a Drake playlist, so all the songs are located there. If you just scroll down, you can see the next button, which basically has a select destination. So we're going to click that. And then we want to select Spotify, but you could also choose Apple Music, Deezer, Napster, SoundCloud, and Tidal. So we're going to select Spotify. Okay. So the last step is just simply to click on the Start Moving My Music. And it's just going to show you how far along it is in the transferring process. So it says lay back on your chair while we transfer your music. So we're already 13% of the way there. 36% of the way there. 50%, wow, it's quite fast, as you can see. And when you scroll down, you can see which ones have been moved over. In no particular order, it seems. So 80% transferred so far. 95%. Come on. Looks like we're waiting for the last. There we go. So our music, our songs from YouTube have been converted and transferred to Spotify. So when you log into your Spotify account, you'll see this playlist, and then you can simply start enjoying your music. See you.